Sexy, charming, a fine lady with a purpose. 23 years old ug kasamtangan ga eskwela sa kursong medicine sa usa ka sikat nga universidad sa ilang syudad. Siya ang bag-uhay lang na koronahan isip Miss Philippines Earth Zamboanga 2022. Let's get to know her more karon sa Spotlight. Hola Zullee, buenos dias! Welcome dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Kumusta ka ngayong umaga?
I'm good po. All good. Even though we're facing such uncertainties nowadays, but so far, so good.
Miss Zullee, first of all, congratulations for being hailed as Miss Philippines Earth Zamboanga 2022 na recently lang ginanap sa Zamboanga City. How does it feel na nasungkit mo itong titulo?
Hello po. Buenos dias mga kapuso. Actually, it is very overwhelming when I won the title as Miss Philippines Earth Zamboanga since it is the very first Miss Philippines Earth pageant here in Zamboanga. And it is very happy to have such title, huge title in me.
Zullee, na-emphasize mo sa iyong winning answer ang kahalagahan ng teknolohiya in spreading awareness about environmental concerns. Gaano ba kahalaga na magamit natin ito sa tamang paraan?
I think, Cyril, in my question, I have thought talaga that technology is one of the major things that could lead the environment to a better future. Because we are involved in a technological manner in the society nowadays. So, use this in a proper manner. We should have the proper knowledge, and also we should be aware of how to use it and how not to waste this huge weapon that we have in the society right now. Because as what I'm running through my platform, I really am focusing with the people. So for us to use this kind of platforms that we have in our society useful.
Miss Zullee, you represented Villa, Barangay Santa Maria, and we are very sure na todo suporta talaga ang mga kabarangay mo and other supporters sa'yo during and after the pageant. Ano yung hindi mo malilimutan na naging contribution nila na nakatulong sa'yo to win the crown?
I think po, it is one of the very most unforgettable thing that ever happened to me. Because when I was a child, it is really my dream to have my personal tarps or like personal photos around the city. So when I was a kid, I thought of what would be the feeling of having this kind of recognition in a certain place. So when I was a candidate of our barangay, our barangay captain, and the SKs here in our barangay have printed tarpaulins and posters which they have posted around the barangay to show moral support. So I am really thankful to have such supportive people here in our barangay because that also inspired and helped me to push through, catch the crown of Miss Philippines Earth Zamboanga.
Zullee, you are currently studying sa isang School of Allied Medicine sa isang prestiyosong university sa Zamboanga City. Paano mo ba binabalanse ang iyong time sa pag-aaral at sa pagsali sa pageants?
Actually po, the very main thing that you should do when you are multitasker is time management. So even though it's really hard, but for a multitasker like me, I've practiced myself years ago before to have time management and self-discipline. So discipline is what you should have because even though I'm joining such pageants and all, I'm still studying, reviewing, and also without the help of my professors, because our dean and our professors are also very supportive. They've asked me for the things that I need during the pageant and what should I do to cope up with my studies. So without the help of everyone and also from the people that are backing me up, it's not possible to be a successful one.
To know you more, Zullee, how do you wear an authentic smile during the pageant? At ano din ba ang iyong sekreto to win the heart of every supporter?
For the smile itself, I think it is always when you thought of something happy. And for the heart of the people, it is having a genuine heart. Because whenever I join such competitions, I always make sure that I am joining not for a personal purpose. It is always for a cause. Because when you are not genuine, actually, if you are on stage, people will feel it. So I always make sure that what I do is what I love, for the people to see that I really am, ako talaga yung like nakikita nila on stage.
Nako Zullee, kung may pasasalamatan kang isang tao today, sino siya at bakit?
I think it's my mom. It's my mother, because ever since, she does not stop on supporting me. Even on times I doubted myself, because I've been to different kinds of pageants which I wasn't able to win the grand title. But then my mom never stopped on believing. And also, she's the one na nagpupush pa talaga for me to have this kind of confidence in me. And she's my, battery whenever I'm down, whenever I'm off. And also, yung mother ko pa talaga is one of the people who never left me.
Miss Zullee, you will represent Zamboanga sa Miss Philippines Earth this coming year. Ano ang mga paghahanda mo ngayon?
As of the moment, I actually am just training at home, because after the pageant, I think I deserve a rest, because we really had a long time of activities during the Miss Philippines Earth Zamboanga. So as of the moment, I'm studying about the environment and all the things that I can do. And also, I am prioritizing my advocacy. I want to highlight my advocacy in this pageant, in this platform. It is called the Union of the People Eco Power. So it is mainly focusing on how the people can help the environment. So I am actually planning and thinking about things on how I will be able to make my platform in reality.
Daghang salamat, Zullee, for sharing your time dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. Walk with pride and keep shining.
Yes po. So I would like to thank the program At Home GMA Regional TV for inviting me here, and I really am thankful to be recognized and be acknowledged in this program. Thank you po. Maraming salamat mga kapuso. And buenos dias to everyone.
Mga kapuso, relax lang mo kay mo balik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.